Well, we got more tokens, and back on the main account, and we're lucky that the blizzard pack isn't gone yet, and we're gonna try and get another chroma, because last video we got our first chroma of our channel. Well, technically it's not our first chroma, because we got some in Blooket. Those are like a year ago. No one ever sees those. So yeah, it's our first chroma in Blooket that I filmed, and we're gonna try and get another one. Let's see what's the New Year look? What's it gonna give us? This main account. I've been saving up. I managed to get 1,000 tokens on a daily wheel yesterday, so that's why I have over 3,000 tokens, and I'm ready to spend it on random stuff. Not random stuff. The blizzard pack is really good. I'm trying to get the holiday elf now, because it looks cool. Okay, I'm going to speed up the video now. Making my thumbnail and nothing. If you're wondering what happened to all my luck, well, it's because probably last video, well, I kind of took it all with getting 4 legendaries and a chroma. So, yeah. And we have 15 snowmans. 15 snowmans. And then look at all this. Look at all this. This is crazy. But then we're going to sell all of this, and just this alone is going to be like 500 tokens if I'm doing the math right now. Probably not. Bro, watch me sell like 2. These are just going to be 500 tokens alone. These are going to be like another 500 tokens, and then I'm going to have so much tokens. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Big box opening. Talk about a big box opening, but wow. Alright, I don't know how to say this, but let's keep going. I'm selling all of this. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Look at all this. How much money do we have from selling the uncommons alone? No, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna sell the uncommons. I'm gonna keep the rest. Oh my gosh, we just got over 1,000 tokens from that. Over 1,000 tokens. Like, that's a lot. That's a lot. Like, that's a lot. Like, that's a lot of money. Okay, we're just gonna keep going now. We're just gonna keep going. No legendary yet, but we're not giving up. Jeez, we spent over 4,000 tokens and not even a legendary. We're still only selling the uncommons. Wow. I just can't believe. A final amount of tokens, and probably still nothing good. Can you believe that? Oh, a snowman. A snowman. Well, our last Blooket box for today's video. Let's open it. Nothing. Nothing. Of course it's a holiday wreath. Okay. I can't wait to see how much this is gonna be worth. Hold on, let's go over to iBlooket. iBlooket. Let's just go over to this. Let's go calculate simulate thing. Okay. I have like, I don't know. I'm just gonna say that's probably how much I spent on the Blizzard pack. And I am including reselling. Calculate. I should have a 96% chance of getting Santa. And I didn't. I didn't get one single legendary out of the entire time I was there. Look at that. Including reselling, I could have gotten like 9. And where's one that doesn't say... Oh, wait. Did I just see a Cozy Baby Penguin one? That was probably the one I got from last video. Like, look. Including reselling. Including reselling. It depends on what you get. I could have got... I got, I don't know. My luck was pretty bad. I mean, I did get a lot of snowmans, but... What does it say? 0... It's like a 3.69% chance that it's not going to give me a Santa. So what it's saying is that 3%, I literally hit. The heck? Oh, it's this. That 3% I got. I should get something out of that, bro. That was like the luckiest ever. I mean, that was the luckiest that was the luckiest, unluckiest Blooket box opening ever. It was a 3.69% chance I wasn't gonna get a Santa out of that, and I didn't. Usually, you open like 100 packs, you're guaranteed at least one. I opened almost like 200, and I didn't even get one. Anyways, thank you so much for watching the video. Goodbye.